Good morning, children. Hope you're well and welcome to your Tuesday maths session. Now, yesterday we learnt a new teen number. Can anyone remember what number we learnt yesterday? So I'll give you a clue. We've learnt the teen number 11. We've learnt the teen number 12. So we must have learnt the number 13, and here it is here, 13. So you can see we've got 10. So we've got one set of 10 and we've got 3 units. So a 10 and a 3 make number 13. Now yesterday I see some brilliant people that have decided to make the posters that I did, the draw it, say it, build it, write it. And then I also see some of you fantastic counting on from a different number each time when you was playing your board game. So well done you. So I thought what we'll do today is we're going to play a little game to just warm up and remember number 13. So hopefully you've got a pen and a piece of paper, and I would like you to listen. In here I have got some words on a piece of card. So it might say draw it, it might say it, it might say write it, it might say build it. Okay, so let's see what we've got to do first. Okay, so this card said say it. Can we say 13? I go first, ready? 13. Can you say it? And again, 13. Can you say it? Can you shout it? Can you whisper it? Can you say it in a funny voice? Fantastic. So we can say number 13. Okay, what do we need to do next? Let's have a look. Ooh, this one says draw it. Draw it. Now, can you remember what I did yesterday to draw 13? You can draw 13 in different ways. Now, remember, we're not writing it, are we? So if I put my screen down, I'm going to draw 13. Are you ready? I'm going to draw some stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Right, let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I drew 13 stars. Well done. So hopefully you've drawn 13. Now, if I'm going a little bit quick, you might want to pause me so you've had a chance to draw your 13 things. Okay, so hopefully you've had a chance. We're going to move on to see what we've got to do next. Are you ready? Okay, the next card says, can we write it? Can we write the number 13? So again, I'll put my screen down so you can see my piece of paper. So we need to write 13. So we're going to start at the top, we're going to go down, and then a number 3 is going to go that way. So number 13, a 1 and a 3, 13. Okay, brilliant. Right, now the next one, we must know what the next one means. So the last card in my pot says, can we build it? Can we build it? Okay, so what can I do to build it? So I've already built mine, so maybe you'd like to go and build yours, so we could build it. So you might want to have 10 of the same colour and 3. You might have a necklace that you like to bead and thread the beads on. You might have some Lego blocks you might like to go and build it with. So pause me now and go and build it, and then take a picture so you can show me. Okay, so hopefully we are back together now. Now, what you need to do is, hopefully you've done all those things out of the pot. Now you need to go and find me 13 objects. Okay, you might even have 13 objects ready with you, but if you haven't, go and find me 13 objects. Okay, and we're going to do another activity. So hopefully you've got your 13 objects and you're ready. Are you ready? So I've got my 13 objects. Okay, so let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, now I'm going to break them up because I want them nice and loose, and I'm going to put them on my table. Now what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be splitting the number 13, and we're going to be making 2 groups, but we're going to be counting on. So we're practicing our counting skills again. So I'm going to show you. So you're not going to see my face, but you'll be able to see my cubes. So I've got 2 bits of paper. So you might like to have 2 bits of paper, or you might like to have 2 plates, or you might like to just have nothing, and you'll be able to do them on your own. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to put some in. Okay, so on this side, okay, we need to count how many we've got, and then on this side we need to count how many we've got. Are you ready? So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So I'm going to write the number 9. And then I'm going to count how many we've got in this group. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've got 4 and 9. So we need to check that we've still got 13. But do I need to count this number again, or do I already know how many's in this group? Okay, I don't need to count because I already know there's 9. So when we're doing these groups, you need to make sure that you're counting from your biggest number. Okay, so we've got 9 and we're going to count on to check that we've got 13. So keep 9, put that in your head, 9, and we're going to count the rest of them in this group. Are you ready? So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we've found out that, let's write it on our piece of paper. So we've got 9 add 4 equals 13. Okay, so 9 and 4 equals 13. Fantastic. Right, let's cover these over and we're going to do it again. So make sure that you're splitting it again and we're going to see how many different ways we can count on to make 13. Right, are you ready? Let me do this. Okay, so nice and quickly. So let's count this group first. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's write that number down so we can keep it in our head. Number 7. And how many have we got in this group? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got 6. Let's write that on that piece of card so we know. So which one is my biggest number? Is it 7 or is it 6? You're right, it's 7. So I'm going to put 7 in my head and we're going to count on to check that we've still got 13. Are you ready? So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Fantastic. So I know that 7, let me stick these two together to save my paper. So I know that 7 add 6 equals 13. Fantastic, so a different way. Okay, let's do one more. Okay, let me put 2 more bits of cards over them numbers. And let's see what we can do this time. So make sure that you're still counting from your biggest number of groups. So I'm going to mix them up, and then I'm going to split. Oh, okay. Right, now it looks like I've got the same group again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We've already done that one, so let's add some more on that side. Okay, right. Let's count this group first. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So let's write the number 5. There we go. And then we're going to count this group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Number 8. So have a look at my groups. Which one is my biggest number? Is it 8 or is it 5? Okay, so it's our number 8. So we need to check again that we've still got 13. So 8, put 8 in your head. So 8, let's count on. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Fantastic. So 8 add 5 equals 13. Look at all the different ways that we've already made 13. So we've got 8 and 5, and we've got 7 and 6. And then we had 9 and 4. So can you see that each time we counted on, we didn't have to recount that group, did we? We put the biggest number in our head and then we counted on the next group. So that's your challenge today. I'd like you to go and get 13 objects, split them just like I've just done, and then make sure that you're counting from your biggest number. Pop that one in your head and then count on your next group. Okay, can't wait to see what you get up to. Good counting, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.